Hello guys and welcome back to Padenge where we are continuing with ratio and proportion basic. Day 2 of ratio, okay. So our question is, the ratio of boys to the girls is 5:7. If there are 35 boys, how many girls are there? Okay. So what is the ratio? 5:7. 5 boys are 5, girls are 7. Previously I have explained what is equivalent fraction. 2 by 3. Okay, 2 3 2 4, 3 2 6. So both should be equal. Here also same. 5:7. Number of boys is 35. So equivalent. 5 7 are 35. So 7 7 are 49. Okay, both equivalent fraction will be applicable. So number of girls are 49. Okay. Our next question is, if 8:12 is equal to x by 18, find x. Okay. What is step 1 we have written? Step 1, write as a fraction. Okay. Write the fraction. 8/12 is equal to x by 18. Now what is that? Next step is step 2. Okay, step 2 is cross multiply. This goes there and this goes left side. So 12x is equal to 8 by 18. So x is equal to 18 by 8 into by 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 and 18. Okay, 6 3s are 18. So 4 3s are 12 is the answer. One more question in finding the x. Is 7:14 equal to x by 20? Find x. Since we have solved the problem by step, okay, we'll write, okay. 7/14, x by 20. So 20 comes over here, okay. So 7 2s are 14, 2 10s are 10. If you see my steps, if you keep on practicing, this is hardly I've done in front of you guys, hardly in 3 seconds. 3 seconds, not more than that. So you need to keep on practicing, okay. Instead of looking here and there, we need to keep on concentrate on the formula step by step, and that is you are a genius in math. Our next question is, if 12/18 is equal to x plus 4 by 30, okay, here it is x plus 4, okay, we'll follow the same step also. In similar pattern, we'll divide step by step and cross multiply, and it will be very simple. The first step is 12/18 is equal to x plus 4 by 30. Then cross multiply. 12 into 30, 18 x plus 4. 12 into 30, 18x plus 72. 12 into 30 is 3 2 just 6. 360 equal to 18x plus 72. Okay, 18x. So 18x is equal to 360 minus 72. 360 minus 72 is 360. Okay, 288. X is equal to 288 by 18. 18 ones are 18, 18 6 are x is equal to, okay. So how fast I have done, okay, this part. If you keep on practicing and dividing, okay, I have not brought one step here like there, okay. Start doing the problem, following the step by step, and you are able to do division, multiplication. If you keep on practicing and learning, okay, it is very easy. We'll proceed with next question with multiple question in ratio and proportion in my next video. Thank you guys. If you do like my videos and press the bell icon instead of just watching, please do subscribe me so that you get some more useful videos like this in math. Thank you.